back to the safety because I ran out of time. So here is the new mcarbo rear sight. I said safety. Jesus. Anyway, someone's going to say something, bitch, and complain, you know your firearm components. Yeah, shut the fuck up. I don't see you making videos. Anyways, the rear sight. This is the mcarbo one. We already chunked the factory one away from the video before I ran out of time. So we can actually move this one up and down with our hand when you want to use it. So if you want to have a red dot, you don't need this. You can just continually flip it down. This also will rotate when you split the upper and lower, or the front and the back, however you want to identify it. You know, nowadays people drink Bud Light and they just want to self-identify as whatever. This identifies as a donkey. I don't know. Float your own boat. But we're going to install this, and then we're going to do the bolt carrier, buffer, the new charging handle. That one's gone. Put the red protector back on, a little oil. There's a washer for the buffer. There's the new buffer charging handle. A lot heavier. We'll go over that here briefly. So we'll install that. Stay tuned. Rear sight comes with a 2mm Allen that I just grabbed and tossed the set screw. We found the set screw. You're gonna need some Loctite on this stuff as well. 2.5 Allen key used for everything else. Pull off your bolt with the big washer. Leave the little washer on this other side. The part of the sight that's got the crown, a little chamfer rolling in, that goes towards the eye, so that is going to be the rear of the weapon. You're going to take your sight lever. Now this is ambidextrous, so you can go right side or left side. If you're right-handed, put on the left. You're left-handed, put on the right. Unless you're just weird and you want everything on the right, then whatever. Your weapon, do what you want. But I'm putting mine in to where my offhand can operate the sight if I need to. We'll lift this up. Ooh, pull it back to where it just barely extends. Take some of the synthetic PTFE, put on each side of your sight, and you're going to drop the sight in, push the lever through, set the set screw. I'm going to set the sight in, and I will come right back. Alright, sight's in, handle straight up. There's a slot for the set screw. That will index on a flat on that shaft. Put the set screw in a little Loctite, and then put your bolt. And there you have it. Screws installed. Set screws in there. You can manually fold your sight. Dropped it there a little girlish ass whoop. Man, I shot Loctite all over it. Yes, I went to SDI. I'll be done in about a month. Graduated. Not a bad school. There will be a video later on, once I've done graduated, about the good, the bad, and the ugly of SDI. So follow along, because